Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to easily find the health portal from McCroskeys Better Hearing, your trusted partner in hearing wellness and support. The first step is to go directly to their official website. On the homepage, you'll find a clear link to the health portal. This is where patients can log in, book appointments, and access personalised care information. The second step is to use the patient resources section. McCroskeys Better Hearing has designed their portal to include test results, hearing aid information, and wellness tips. This makes it simple to stay connected with your care plan. The third step is to bookmark the portal for quick access. Once you've logged in the first time, save the page on your device so you can return to it anytime without searching again. Another quick way to find the portal is by contacting their support team. Whether by phone or email, they can provide you with direct access details and help if you're having any trouble signing in. Lastly, don't forget their social media and newsletters. McCroskeys Better Hearing often shares updates and links to the portal, making it even easier to stay informed about new services and resources. To recap, finding the health portal from McCroskeys Better Hearing is as simple as visiting their website, using the patient resources section, bookmarking the page, contacting support if needed, and following their updates online. This quick guide ensures that in just a few steps, you can unlock access to everything you need for better hearing and overall wellness through McCroskeys Better Hearing's trusted health portal.